Assalamualaikum. You're watching Life with Wania Khan, and today I'm gonna tell you about top 10 singing birds. Number 10. Yellowtail black cockatoo. It is a large cockatoo with striking black plumage. The bird also has a distinctive yellow patch on its tail. These species of cockatoos are found across southeastern Australia. They mainly inhabit in woodland plantations. Number 9. Black-billed magpie. The black-billed magpie is a small vocal bird found in most parts of the world. They make loud chattering in notes. Magpie are often found in flocks making continuous raucous calls. They are also known for mimicking the sounds of other birds. Number 8. House sparrow. The small and beautiful house sparrows are closely connected with humans. They are found in the part of the world that are rural and urban areas. Their song features notes like chirp or cheeps. Number 7. Channel-billed cuckoo. With a wingspan of 1 meter, the channel-billed cuckoo is the largest parasitic bird in the world. They can be found in eastern Australia, Indonesia, and New Guinea. During spring season, they migrate to Australia and breed in the subtropical regions. Number 6. Song thrush. It is an attractive singing bird that is found in Asia, Europe, and Africa. Song thrushes are known for their beautiful song that features many notes. They usually sing from the top branches of a tree in pairs. Number 5. American robin. This North American bird is known for its striking plumage and beautiful song. Its song features different birds whistle. They repeat some phrases for 3 or 4 times in different tones. Their song is most pleasant at the dawn. Number 4. Rosebreasted grosbeak. It is an attractive songbird that natives to northeastern USA and Canada. Both male and females can sing in melodious voices featuring many notes in different pitches. The male sings from the top branches where the female sings during incubation and nest building. Number 3. The Asian Koel. The Asian Koels are the members of the cuckoo family. They are found in India, Bangladesh, Australia, Solomon Islands, and Southeast Asia. They normally sing during March and August, the breeding seasons. The males are of a different color and the females have a different one. Number 2. Canary. The popular Canary songbirds are named after their native range Canary Island of Spain. They are kept as pets since the 17th century for their songs. The males are better singers than the females. They are masters in imitating the sounds they hear from their surroundings. Number 1. Common nightingale. Its song is considered as the most pleasing melodic bird song. Their song is described in many books, poems, and operas. They live in Asia, Europe, Africa, and Mediterranean. The name Nightingale means night songstress. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you like it. Allah Hafiz.